Well, hi everybody. It's the old dog back at you again, and I've got a little special treat for you. I've got my bodyguard behind me, of course.
Bodyguard.
we're on location here. May has a co-worker by the name of Mary, ex-co-worker. They used to do catering together. And normally, I'm doing interviews with people that are with Filipinas that are dating or hanging out with or looking for a foreigner. And so I thought it would be a breath of fresh air if we talked to a beautiful Filipina that was actually married and living with happily to a Filipino her same age. You are 29, correct?
Yeah.
And your name is Mary?
Yeah.
Would
Yes.
you like to say hi to everybody out there in YouTube land?
Hi, I'm Mary. Nice to meet you.
So I just met Mary about 15 minutes ago, and we've been chit-chatting. And here's the story. Mary and her husband. What is your husband's name?
And Cebu.
What is his name?
Ronald. Yes.
Ronald.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got Ronald and Mary. This is going to be easy for me. So anyway, the story that I got as I chatted with Mary here was that about 5 years ago, you went to a party,
Yeah.
right? And you were single.
Yeah.
And Ronald was single,
Yeah.
right? And so you went to the party, you enjoyed yourself, and then you needed to get home from the
Yeah.
party, correct? Is that what you told me?
Yeah.
But you didn't have any money, right? To take a trike or a hubble or anything to get home.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how did you get home? How did you get the money?
I borrowed him money.
That's a good pickup line, Mary. So the way that you actually met your future husband was you borrowed some money from
Yeah.
him, right? Okay.
It's a destiny.
Destiny. I like that. And that was in Cebu. And now, right after that, you went home. And then can you kind of fill us in on what happened? I mean, did he call you after that? Did you guys start to date? Did you call him? Did you send him a text? And most importantly, did you pay him back the money?
He told me, give me my money. You borrow money.
Okay. And so did he call you the next day and
Yeah.
say, hey, and then you two what? You went on a date?
Oh
or
yeah, we go on a date and I give him my money and he told me, oh, that's yours.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
that's the start. That's
So
the
that
beginning.
was the start. That was kind of the way you knew that he liked you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And now, from what I understand, how long did you work with my bodyguard back there, May, in catering? Huh?
Almost 1 month, 2 months.
1 month, 2 months?
Yeah,
So that's how this
yeah,
all
2
came
months.
about.
Yeah.
And,
my friend is 2 years.
and you've been friends for 2 years?
2 years, yeah.
Okay, but you worked together for like a month or so because you guys did catering,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So the way I understand it is right now you're here in Valencia, Dumaguete, and you're staying at your auntie's house,
Yeah.
right? Your husband is in Cebu,
Yeah.
which is where you were living.
Yeah.
And if I'm understanding this correctly, you tell me if I'm wrong, but in November, your husband told you, and you got married 5 years,
Yeah.
for 5 years now, right?
Yeah.
So you and your husband dated for a while, you fell in love, and you got married.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we should fill him in on that. And you were living in a boarding house in Cebu.
Yeah.
Your husband is a mechanic on cars.
Yeah.
And so he works every day in Cebu, and you were working as an assembler, correct? Like an assembly line, like in a manufacturing?
In manufacturing.
In manufacturing, okay. And so in November of last year, after 5 years of marriage, your husband told you what?
To resign my work.
Resign
And
from work.
pursue my study here in Negros.
And he preferred that you stop working
Oh yeah.
and that you go back to your studies here in Negros,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And what school are you going to go to?
Negros Oriental State University.
Okay. And what is going to be the topic that you study?
Business administration.
business
Major and
administration
human resource.
and human resource.
Yeah.
Awesome. And so that was very selfless of your husband. In other words, he said, let me make the money, and you go. And you came here to live with your auntie because there's no rent here, right? You can stay here as
That's right.
family.
Yeah.
He is still in Cebu working. He gets paid, I think you told me, every 15 days.
Yeah.
So he sends you money to live on as well as saving money himself, correct?
Correct.
So he is now 30 and you are now 29.
Yeah.
And are you more in love today than when you met him?
But
Are you more in love today with him?
yeah.
Yeah?
Huh?
So it gets better every year, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he sounds like a very good man.
Yeah.
And he works very hard, doesn't he? And he
Correct.
makes, what did you tell me? He makes about 350, 400 pesos a day
Yeah.
working for the company, right? The car company.
Car company.
But he makes a little bit more money because after his job, he'll do side jobs.
Yeah.
Like maybe if my motorbike broke down or my car broke down, he can come fix it for me and pick up some more money,
Yeah,
right?
That's right.
Okay. But right now, I think you're very lonely.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
Sad but true.
Sad but true. You know why? COVID.
Don't make me
You
cry.
think you're the only one suffering? It's happening
You
out
too
here
not suffering in COVID.
Because in November, you came here to Dumaguete to go to school.
Yeah.
And your husband was there. And I don't want to put words in your mouth, but I think that you guys were planning on seeing each other like every couple of weeks or once a month or something like that.
That's right.
You would go there, or would he come here?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think I would go here.
You would go there? You would go to Cebu, or he would come here?
He would come here.
He would come here. Okay. Now, does he work 5 days a week or 7 days a week, or how does that work?
7 days a week.
7 days a week. So in order to come visit his wife, he would have to ask for time off.
Time off.
He would have to ask for a day off
Yeah.
from his boss.
Oh, yeah.
But that would be okay.
That
They would
okay.
understand that.
Yeah.
Okay, just clarifying. Because sometimes in America and whatnot, we have different schedules. And I'm still trying to understand and learn. Whoops, we're dropping our microphone. How everything works out here, and I'm still really confused. So what's going on here is that you can't, now can you go to school with this COVID thing?
No.
You can't, can you?
No, I can't.
Okay, so you came out here, and I guess if we could all go back in time, you probably would have just stayed there with your husband, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what she has done is she's planted a beautiful garden over here. And what I just learned, and I'm really excited about, is that I'll try to do it with the camera. I mean, I'll do my best, guys. You know me and the walk around stuff. But actually, you bought a piece of land here.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
So there you go. There's the American dream right here in the Philippines happening. Her husband's working really, really hard. She's looking to improve her life. They're both Filipinos. They're both the same age. They both have goals. They do not have any children yet, but they would like to have children, I think,
love
right?
to.
Okay, cool. But what you want to do is you want to buy a little piece of land.
Yeah.
Same as May. That's what you want to do, huh, baby May?
Yeah.
Yeah, buy a little bit of land. And I think that's wonderful. And you're going to hear some chickens, and it's kind of rural out here, but it really, really is beautiful. Okay, she's got a lovely garden. I'm going to try to give you guys a little tour of it. So you've been apart from your husband since November. Now, the COVID thing didn't happen until January. When was the last time you actually saw your husband in person?
In person last February 14 on my birthday.
February?
Before the lockdown here in Dumaguete.
Before the lockdown?
Yeah.
Oh, so you were able to scoot out?
Yeah.
And when's your birthday?
February 14.
14?
Valentine's
Day?
Yeah.
Mine's February 3rd.
Oh.
So everybody knows. Remember, write that in your calendar, folks. So how long has it been since you've seen your husband now?
What, sir?
How long has it been since you have seen your husband? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months?
Well, it's been 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah, 4 months.
And do you talk to you? Well, you don't have Skype or anything, do you?
Video call only.
Video, you do
Yeah,
video call.
Yeah, video
okay,
call.
so you get to talk to him
Every day.
every day. Well, that's good. Don't you like a good love story? Nice young couple. They bought their first piece of land. He's working his ass off like a good guy does. He told his wife to quit her job and to go back to school. The schools are shut down, so that thing's been put on a hiatus. And I just think you're a lovely person, Mary. I really do. I think you have a lovely story. May, would you like to do a commercial for your channel?
After the interview.
All right, so we'll try to take a little look around.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm going to take the microphone off of you. And I'm going to put it on me.
Yeah.
And then May, kind of help me because I'm going to try and do this so that we can show you the land that you're going to buy. So let's see here. Behind me,
Here's an African daisy.
there's your part of your garden, right? And this is your auntie's house,
Yeah, this
right?
is my auntie's house.
Okay, and then show me where you live. Show me the room that you live in.
Topsy-turvy.
Right here.
There.
That's where you live.
This is my.
Okay, very simple, but you're allowed to save money and you live there rent free, right?
Yeah.
Okay, free is good.
Yeah.
Now let's take a look at the most exciting part. Not me, but the land you're gonna buy. So May, you lead the way. Okay, so I can follow you.
More garden, guys.
Look at the garden she's got going here.
This is what we call here in Philippines saging. Oh, it's a beautiful flower.
That is a beautiful flower.
Bunch of price. Seedlings range from 50 to 70 pesos only.
Do you sell these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
It's so
See how
good.
prepared I am? All right, so you sell those,
Yeah.
okay?
And
And this is like the rest of your garden.
yeah.
I'm trying to walk and talk.
I know how to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I help you.
Can you see, honey?
Yeah.
Now show us the land that you're gonna buy. There's my gay scooter.
This is my land. This is my land.
Okay, walk your land. Show me the area that you're, just walk the whole area that's gonna be your land.
This is the whole area from there to there with 100 square meter
100 square meters.
Yeah.
Now, did you already pay for it?
installment. My husband paid for it.
You're making installment payments.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So let's take another look.
A little look.
And then it's peanut garden.
My vegetable garden, my small vegetable garden.
And what is that?
It's peanuts.
That's peanuts?
It's peanuts.
Really?
Yep. Your favorite.
I love peanuts.
It's peanuts.
I didn't know that was peanuts.
Peanut.
Huh.
Kangkong. Kalubate. Kalubate. Spinach yan.
So this, kids, is kind of what I would call just a normal Filipina young love story.
Simple and happy living.
And happy living, right?
Yeah.
Look at the smile. Come here, you guys, both of you.
Simple and happy living Filipino girl.
Come here, because I don't know if the microphone can pick that up. Come here.
Kayang kuwan ba?
Here's my microphone. What did you just say?
Simple and happy living here in Philippines.
All right. Well, thank you for coming on the channel.
Well, you're always welcome.
Okay. So you want to do a commercial for your channel?
Yep.
Of course. I knew that was coming.
Go.
Guys, don't forget subscribe my channel, Baby Miss Cooking Adventure, guys. And then with my friend.
We go to adventure soon.
Shameless self-promotion is what we do. All right. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.